DaVinci for beginners. So easy. Today we are going to learn how to remove object from our clip. So let's get started. First thing that you need to do, just select the clip and navigate to Color tab. Go to Window and draw a window over the object that you want to remove. Just customize it to fit perfectly around your object because there is a movement. When you are finished, navigate to the tracker and hit run. While we are waiting for the tracking magic to be done, we can create one more node. Just make sure you will connect blue with blue. And now the easiest part, just navigate to Effects and type Removal. You will see it Object Removal, the last, and drop it to our node. And press the Scene Analysis button. Give it a couple of seconds to render. And now we have the area that was affected with gray. After that, click Build Clean Plate and you can see right away it removed it. And this is how easily you can remove objects from our shot. So now let's review it. I think it did a great job just in a couple of seconds. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more content like this.